you are a beginner or you are just looking for everyday soft glam makeup routine, then keep watching this. My face is already prepped already. If you don't know how to prep your face as a beginner, I'll drop a video here. Ensure you watch it so that you can know how to prep your skin before you start applying foundation. So with that being said, the first thing I want to apply now is foundation. I'll be using this foundation from Zyra Cosmetics. Since we are doing a soft glam routine, we don't need much foundation on our face. It's just little so that everything can look natural. So I'm just going to apply little on my face. That is okay. Then I will use my damp beauty blender to blend in the foundation on my face. Next, I'll go in with my concealer. I'll use it to highlight the T-zones area of my face, and this is also from Zyra Cosmetics as well. I will use this blender to blend it in. This is not damp, and when you are blending, you need to start from inside and blend it out. Your other eyes are very important when you apply your concealer. You can see the way my face is. You won't even know if I apply anything on my face because I want it to look natural. It is soft glam, which you can do every day by day. It's not supposed to be heavy. The next thing I'm going to do now is to use my setting powder in the highlighted area of my face, which I just highlighted with concealer. Then I'm going to dab it in because I don't want it to be much on my face. I just need a very light setting powder on my face. Next, I'm going to use my spoonie to brush off my eyebrow upward. You can shave your eyebrow if you want to, but since I want to look natural and I don't want to shave, so I'm just going to brush them upward. I'm going to use my brown pencil to outline the surface. Then you stroke it. Then I will use little concealer to shapen it out. Then you use it to conceal, then you conceal the outside. Then I'll use my blending brush to blend it. Then I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. Since we are doing a soft glam, we need something natural and soft to calm in the face. So I'll be using this color here. I'll be using this for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with this shimmer here. Then I'll go in with my mascara. Then I go in with my blush, and I'm going to use this pink one, dust off the excess from it. Then I go in with my contour. I'll be using this shade. This is where I apply my blush, and this is where you apply your contour, this edge like this. Apply in the forehead area, your cheekbone area for face snatching. I'm going to apply powder on my face, and I'll be using these two mixed together. I'm also going with this brown liner again. To blend with this blending brush. I will go in with my nude matte lip gloss. Then you blend it. Then you dab. And then I'm going to apply this lip gloss on it. You dab again. If there's any excesses in your lip, you remove it. I'm just going to apply the general powder on my face. I'm going to apply my blush again so that it will look sharp. I'm going to use this other color this time. You can see the way it's much, so you dab. Ooh. Then I'm going to apply my setting spray to melt in all the work I have done on my face. Guys, this is the final look. As you can see, this is natural, glowy, and beginner friendly. It is perfect for your work, for school, or content creation. You don't need to stress. It's very simple because I take you step by step on how you can achieve this. If you want more beginner soft glam tutorial, or clean girl makeup tutorial, or everyday makeup glam tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I'll gladly do it for you guys. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. From me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.